Welcome to Lynch GM Superstore, where we have an incredible vehicle waiting for you. Feast your eyes on this stunning 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali in Onyx Black. This powerhouse is equipped with all the features you could ever dream of. Stay connected on the go with Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. And with the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, you'll never miss a beat. Safety is a top priority with automatic high beams, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitor. Plus, the forward collision warning system will give you peace of mind on every journey. Luxury meets functionality with a sunroof, moonroof, wireless phone charging, and a navigation system to guide you on your adventures. And with the automatic climate control, you'll always be comfortable no matter the weather. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged engine that delivers impressive power and performance. And with four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, this Sierra is ready to conquer any terrain. Come visit us at Lynch GM Superstore in Burlington, Wisconsin, and take this 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali for a test drive. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle.